Some extra effort today. I wasn't expecting this. I'm doing final prep before paint. This is the last bit of paint, quarters in the roof. But had to clean out that seam. It was rusted. I got rust here. I got rust almost all the way through, all the way across the bottom of here, which is not a structural problem. And then it's had a rear body panel put in it, so I had to seal all this area. And I had to work the welds on this. But I think I'm done. Primer comes next, and I'll have to do some filling because these pits are deep.